About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. Get away to a place where we don't know.
Yep, that's less than. There you go. Good morning, you guys. As you can see, we are doing some schoolwork this morning. It's actually a Saturday, but we missed so many days doing schoolwork last week with the move and everything else that poor Alex here is sitting here on a Saturday morning doing some schoolwork. But hey, don't pick your nose. Parenting fail. Stop it! What are you doing? Stop picking your nose! Ah, that's disgusting! On camera, too! The whole world is gonna see you! Alright, so we are doing some schoolwork this morning on a Saturday. We're using the Osmo. So we picked this up a couple weeks ago and I use it to supplement the phonics program and it worked Stop it! What are you doing, Charlie? Hey, answer the last question. But today is a really cool day because people, we are going to the Monster Truck Jam. What are you doing? The Monster Truck Jam later tonight. And I am so excited. I wanted to do this since I was a kid, you guys, a kid. So to be able to take my kids to it, really happy with it. My cousin told me about it, so hopefully we're going to be able to join them. I don't know if we're going to be able to sit together, and I don't know how well I'm going to do filming it. So this is going to be a little bit different, you guys. So bear with me. I will do my best to bring that show to you. Thank you guys for watching. I do appreciate it. And if you haven't already done so, please do subscribe. And here we go. We're gonna make some movie magic. Ready? Oh my God, you guys. We finally made it here. There she is. Hopefully I don't get a ticket. The traffic, I don't even want to talk about it. I need to take a deep breath. We are a full hour late. We're an hour and a half late. That's how bad the traffic was. Denver, you should be ashamed of yourself. LA is better than this. Ooh, but we're getting all of our coats on, everything else. We're gonna go find a bathroom. We're gonna make the best of this. And we've got 1 hour left of the show, so hopefully we see something.
Lily's running fast!
Lily's running fast!
Faster!
We finally made it. It's a little crazy right now.
Can't see the difference anywhere.
you feel confident that you're going to carry this win?
Well, I would like to. I mean, I don't know. There's a lot of connectors coming after me, so I don't.
Second place. On your face. Coming up last, this is Royce Kenny. Crashed his mohawk.
We're gonna go towards Sonic, girls, but I literally can't move. I can't drive forward because they're blocking the whole way. And we can't back up because someone's right behind me. So we literally just have to sit here and wait. Alright, you guys. Made it home. Girls are already asleep and in bed. Oh, it is late and I am definitely a little exhausted. So yeah, sorry I was a little frustrated with the traffic. I think it took a little bit away from the experience for me, but the girls had a great time, and I realized that I have deprived my children of these kind of experiences. We've done so many national parks, mountain biking, dirt biking, a lot of stuff, but we've never actually gone to any kind of concert or monster truck jam. So Alex was over there and she was screaming at the top of her lungs and stomping her feet and screaming, "We will rock you." And, you know, she's never been able to really do that in public before, I realized. And she was having the best of time. Haley was having a great time. She started to get a little tired towards the end, but Alex, you know, stuck it out. So overall, amazing. Gonna recover tomorrow, just sleep and rest and everything else like that. But next weekend should be just as fun, right? We've got the Monster Supercross show coming up, and I am very excited about that. I've learned a lot from this experience, and I'm hoping that I apply that next week. We'll find out. I may just make a different mistake, but either way. And the dogs, of course, they are happy to see us, right, Max and Dookie? Those my good boys, you're my good boys. Oh, Dookie's got his ball. Nothing comes before Dookie's ball. There it is, there it is. There it is. Alright, you guys. You have a wonderful night. Thank you for watching.